This is the OAuth consent verification for Security Scout for the Security Scout integration project for this client ID. This is specifically for the admin reports read-only. First to show on our application, doing the approval for it. We do have a warning since it is not approved yet. When signing into the integration, that is the same client ID that we are looking for verification on. That then has the report scope that we are granting as the user. That then does a integration sync for the Google Workspace tenant, which we will show shortly. The use cases that we have here are two primaries. First being a visualization based on the IP address that we get from the Google reports and enriching that with the geolocation. We can then see a Google Workspace login that occurred in the United States. We just have countrywide geolocation. We'll get down to city soon. We can then pivot that to the user activity being the Google Workspace tenant and the login information, where we can then show that login information for the account to the customer for that Google Workspace tenant. So as we look at how that occurs when the integration is set up, that is done with the reports read-only scope. That then goes through your standard OAuth flow granting the scope, and then we save that in Secret Manager in our project with the creds for the user. To use that, then it is a straightforward use of the reports API. We take those creds that we got from Secret Manager, create a report service, and then in that report service get the login activity up to 100 for that user. And then we take that data, and all we are storing is the IP address, the last seen, which is just the time of that activity, the status, success or failure, and the reason for it. So that is the demo of the use of this new scope.